I, JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Program BCom Honors, 3rd Sem, Course Business Math and Statistics, and session of today is arithmetic mean. Harmonic mean. The harmonic mean of the series of value is reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of their reciprocals. If we have x1, x2, xn, n datas in a series and h is the harmonic mean, then 1 upon h is equal to 1 upon n, 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 plus dot 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 1 upon xn. Harmonic mean is just vice versa process of the arithmetic mean. So if we take the values in the series x1, x2 dot 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 xn, then the harmonic mean will be 1 upon h of 1 upon n, or bracket start 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 plus dot 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 1 upon xn. Now reciprocate this, and after reciprocating, 1 upon h become h, and all these numbers n which is in denominator, that is in numerator, and 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 dot 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 1 upon xn, this is in numerator, then it is after reciprocating it will be in denominator. So h is equal to n upon 1 plus x1 plus 1 upon x2 plus dot 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 1 upon xn. In the summation form, it can be written as n upon I is equal to 1 to n summation 1 upon sigma xi, or n upon sigma 1 upon x. If corresponding frequencies are f1, f2 dot 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 fn be the frequency of x1, x2 dot 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 xn, then the harmonic mean h will be 1 upon I is equal to 1 to n summation fi upon xi is equal to 1 upon n sigma f upon x, where n is equal to sigma fi. Mathematical property of the harmonic mean. For the observation x1 and x2, we have a means arithmetic mean, h means harmonic mean, and g means geometric mean. Then ah is equal to g square. This is the first property of the mean. A is equal to, if we have two numbers, two data in the series x1 and x2, then its arithmetic mean will be x1 plus x2 upon 2. Similarly, h is equal to 2 upon 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2, and after taking LCM and solving it, it gives 2x1 x2 upon x1 plus x2. And geometric mean g is equal to root of x1 into x2. Now putting these values in the left hand side of the first equation, ah is equal to g square, a is x1 plus x2 upon 2, h is equal to 2x1 x2 upon x1 plus x2. So x1 plus x2 is cancel out, and 2 again cancel out. It gives only x1 into x2, but x1 into x2 root is equal to g, then x1 into x2 is equal to g square. So first equation is proof, ah is equal to g square. This is the first property. Next, second property is a is greater than, g is greater than h. अर्थमेटिक मीन की न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ज्योमेट्रिक मीन से बड़ी होती है और ज्योमेट्रिक मीन की न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू हार्मोनिक मीन से बड़ी होती है. तो a ग्रेटर देन g ग्रेटर देन h. Suppose we have n number in the series x1 x2 dot 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 xn. Then we are knowing well a will be x1 plus x2 plus dot 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 xn upon n. h is equal to n upon 1 upon x1 plus 1 upon x2 plus dot 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 1 upon xn, and g is equal to x1 x2 dot 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 xn whole power under the bracket and whole power 1 by n. It is arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean for n datas. So first thing is a greater than is equal to g. We have to prove a greater than is equal to g. For this we have taken the value x1 minus x1 under root minus x2 under root whole square. Whole square of any numbers are always positive. If it is positive, then it is greater than equal to 0. So any whole square of any number you can take. So taking here x1 minus x2 root x1 minus root x2 whole square greater than is equal to 0. Then squaring. After squaring, it gives x1 plus x2 minus 2 under root x1 x2 greater than is equal to 0. Now equating, or it gives x1 plus x2 upon 2 greater than is equal to under root x1 into x2. So this is the a greater than is equal to g. x1 plus x2 upon 2 is the arithmetic mean, and under root x1 into x2 it is the geometric mean. So only for two element it is correct, it is proved a greater than is equal to g. Next, suppose we have 4 element, then again taking the mean of this x1 plus x2 upon 2 plus x3 plus x4 upon 2, or averaging this greater than is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 into x1 plus x2 upon 2, or whole root, taking the root. Now solving this and equating, we get it is proof for the 4 elements. Similarly, it is proved for the 8 element, and it is proved for all element in the similar way a greater than is equal to 0. This is the induction approach. It is proved for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, and then n is equal to k. So it is proved for all data x1 to xn, and a greater than is equal to g. Next, g greater than is equal to h. So in order to prove this, we taking the geometric mean, it is greater than is equal to harmonic mean, and proving this. So here it is very clear, a arithmetic mean is always greater than to geometric mean, and geometric mean always greater than to harmonic mean. These are the properties of the means. First property is ah is equal to g square, or we can say these are the relation between the relation among the 3 means, that is arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. ah is equal to g square, or second relation a greater than g greater than h. These are the property of the harmonic mean. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.